afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, classmates. Good afternoon, Miss Roda. This is me, Saint Marcos Jeff, and I'm gonna describe the four phases of matter. So the first one that I need to describe is evaporation. To describe the evaporation, first thing you need to do is to find some clothes and wash it, so we can dry it. So first thing that we need to do is wash the clothes. So possibility that we can dry it in the sun. So the heat of the sun is ang init sa kuan, ang kainit sa adlaw mo na magpapauga ani sa basa. So mo na tong button ron. So una natong button mag ato ni ko sa kudo na ginagmay. Kay para mawagtang yung mahugaw. Mo na tong button.
Tapos
Umano tagbuhatan na mangita patagbasta. Ato ni napanasan. Bagka kali tubig dira. We put some water in it, so mo ni waswasan ni nilay. So mao din eh, pasensya ilang dito guys. Mo ni hugaw ya. After washing the labakara, then we're gonna put this in here and wait for 4 hours to dry it by the sun. So after 4 hours of waiting guys, here's the result of the panyo. So as we can see here, it's fully dry from the heat of the sun. So this is called evaporation because at kanina it's so basa pa. So I lava it and I hang in the hayan. So on guys. Yeah. So here's the result. So it's fully dry. As we can see, there's no water in it. So it's all that. The second things that we need to press is condensation. So condensation is a liquid to gas. So we need to put some cold water in it and wait it for a minute. As we waited to put some one. After waiting 10 minutes for the condensation, here's the result. So as we can see it guys, it made moist. Look at this. Nag-moist yeah guys. So it moist. So basically this is called condensation because liquid from gas. So while the liquid is on the glass that we are needed to see it, so tungod sa because of the cold water of it inside, the colds are especially that gets outside because of the cold. So possibility if we wait for another 10 minutes of this, the water can be not cold anymore because the cold of it of the condensation is go outside. So the combination of it is it's it. So if we drink it now, it's not cold anymore like the first one that we put in. So as we can see it, look, so guys. So that's it. So while we're observing the condensation movements or blackness, we're waiting for the evaporation to make dry from the heat of the sun. So as we can see it from the sky, it's rainy, it's an rainy day, so maybe tomorrow that makes dry of it.